Welcome back, PyAgents. In this video, we're going to use a database in the cloud instead for our local computer. So we can start with disconnecting here, just so we're cleaning up after ourselves. And in Docker, we could stop this. And then we can open our browser and we'll search for MongoDB.com. And you would probably need to create an account for the first time. And I already have one. That's great. Remind me later. And when we first come up here, things might look a bit different, but for the first time, MongoDB allows us to create a free cluster. So let's click create here. And this is how it might look once you had created your account and verified. You come to this option where you can set things up. As you see, we're going to go with the free option here. And we can call it, what do we call it? Our Cloud Mongo. Lack of a good name. You can set it provided by Azure because that's what we're going to work with eventually. And I'm going to select the region that's closest to me, which I guess is Netherlands. Oh no, Ireland. That's where we're going. And then we can create deployment. And apparently I have to prove I'm human. How did they know? How did they know I wasn't human? And here they automatically create a database user for us, and we can go with that later. This is to allow us to connect here using our IP address. I guess I have to create it. Oh boy, that's a long name. Choose a connection method. And we see here, if we press on this driver section, we'll figure out how we can do this with Python. And we select Python here. And we see this is the connection string that we require, and we can copy it, and they automatically inputted our username and password, and then including our URL to the cloud database. So let's try that. Let's go back to PyCharm. Let's replace this. We can even duplicate, keep that one for locals later. And there we have it. And let's see if it works. Yeah. Ooh. Who are you? And now let's close it and see if I reopen it. Do we have our data? And we do. How does it look on our cloud database? I guess we can close this now. And go into our clusters. There's here our Cloud Mongo. And we can see if we can click here. Can we explore our data? Well, creating a plan. There, collections. I'm so blind these days. There we have our iChat database, our messages collection, and our two, messages. Anyhow, so you saw we have to do a few things. Say you now want your friends to be able to connect to this database. They can use the same username and the password that you had, or you can come here. First of all, we go to network access, and we see here if someone can't connect, we can add IP addresses here, or you could allow access for anywhere, which probably isn't recommended, but let's put it, and that's how it looks. And if you regret that, similar to how you regret a terrible nights out, if you drank too much, you can just click delete, and it deletes it for you. And then we have this database access section here, and there's the user, and I can create a new database user, and maybe I can give it a name like a guest, and thank you, and show. Now we have that, and then we could save those, and we can share that one with them. Oh, I at least choose one role of privilege, right. Add the bulletin role. And here, we can choose what they're able. For example, only to look, read only, read and write. We can select this, they're not admins. And that's good for a guest. So with this, you can share this one with them, and then this one is you. And I'll delete that soon because I can't trust anyone online. CIA is after us all. Anyhow, so that's it. That's simple to connect to a cloud database, and MongoDB are quite generous for once you're getting started. It's a lot of things you can do with just 512 megabytes. And that's it for this video. Until next one.